Hey everybody, Chris Rogers from Utility Service Agency in Aberdeen, North Carolina at Bulldog Pipe. Bulldog can make any pipe to your specifications from 3/4 inch to 6-inch HDPE roll pipe. We can do any color that you choose. We can add tracer wires, we can add stripes, we can add pull tape, we can do ribbed or smooth wall pipe, we can do permalube pipe. Anything that you've gotten in the past, Bulldog can match. When your pipe shows up, you'll notice that it's clearly marked to identify what job it goes to. The customizable print is very legible and does not rub off. The pipe is banded securely and comes on a returnable reel. Just touching on the last point that I made, here sit all the pieces of reels that have been collected from the field. They've been used one time, they've been taken apart, they're back here to be put back together and reused again to limit waste. All right, everybody, just like the truck behind me, we are done down here. We're getting ready to roll out. If you have any questions about Bulldog Pipe, reach out to myself, Chris Rogers, or anybody at Utility Service Agency. Thank you.